Here's my machine, and here's the red solid red power button, and none of the button works, nothing works. And then my computer's not detecting it. And so I'm going to change from one cord wall plug to another wall plug. So and after plugging it, the power button is still red. And no other lights. Nothing works. The machine's not working. The computer's still not detecting it. And I'm supposed to restart this. So I restart it. And re-plugging it back on. And checking if there's any updates for firmware. It's plugged on, but it's still red and still not detecting it. No device found. And unplug everything. And I'm gonna show my serial number. Here's my serial number. And then plug it back on. It is still red, so it's not turning on. Nothing's working. It won't print, it won't cut, even after I switch wall plugs.